Hello students, today we are going to solve question 1 of issue of shares, which is on page number 341. So first I am going to read out the problem. So Vijay Limited was registered with an authorized capital of rupees 15 lakh divided into 1 lakh 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Company issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 2 per share. Company received application for 80,000 equity shares and were allotted the shares. Company received application money 3 per share, allotment money 4 per share including premium, and first call money rupees 3 per share. The director have not made final call of rupees 2 per share. All the money were received except one shareholder holding 500 shares did not pay first call. So show authorized capital, issued capital, subscribed capital, called up capital, paid up capital, call in arrears and share premium amount in the company's balance sheet. So in this problem, they just need you to show the presentation in the balance sheet. So I have prepared one balance sheet in the books of Vijay Limited. Balance sheet as on, as the date is not mentioned, I put in a dash dash, and liabilities and assets. So I will start with the problem. See, the first sentence is Vijay Limited was registered with an authorized capital of 15 lakh divided into 1 lakh 50,000 equity shares of 10 each. So authorized capital is the capital which is the registered capital, right? When a company starts, it's the amount of capital which is registered with the registrar, and it is the maximum amount of capital which a company can issue, right? So the company in its lifetime can issue maximum of 15 lakhs of capital, right? So authorized capital is nothing but the maximum capital. So in your balance sheet, the first item in liabilities side, you will write authorized capital. So 1,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, right? So in the outer column it will come 15 lakh, right? 1,50,000 into 10 will be 15 lakh, and we will underline it. Okay, now see, company issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 2 per share. Now company has issued the share, right? So from this authorized capital, that is 15 lakh of 1 lakh 50 shares, out of this 1 lakh 50 shares, in starting the company has issued only 1 lakh equity shares. Means next item in balance sheet will be issued capital. So capital issued is 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 2 each, right? Or you can write per share also, right? So it will become 10 lakh, right? Next is company received application for 80,000 equity shares and were allotted the shares. Now 1.5 लाख का उनको परमिशन है, 1.5 लाख इक्विटी शेयर इशू करने का. उन्होंने सिर्फ 1 लाख इशू किया है, और जो 1 लाख इशू किया था उसमें से इसको बोलते हैं सब्सक्राइब्ड मतलब जितने भी एप्लीकेशंस आए हैं, तो उनके पास एप्लीकेशन कितने शेयर्स के लिए आई? सिर्फ 80,000 शेयर्स के लिए एप्लीकेशन आए हैं. सो next will be subscribed capital. Now subscribed capital 80,000 equity shares of these 10 each. 80,000 into 10, that is what? 8 lakh, right? See students, company has received application money of 3 per share, allotment 4 per share and first call money 3 per share, right? And director has not made the final call. So see here, application money 3 रुपया है एक शेयर के ऊपर, allotment money 2 है, पर it is including premium. So in bracket I have written 2 plus 2 is what? 4, right? So first call is what? 3 एंड सेकेंड कॉल डायरेक्टर ने नहीं किया है, तो ये कितना हो गया? 3 प्लस 2 5, 5 प्लस 3 8. सो 80,000 शेयर्स सब्सक्राइब हुए थे, उसमें से 8 हमने रुपीज़ मांगा है अभी तक उनसे. सो 80,000 इंटू 8 इज़ वॉट? 6,40,000. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल, राइट? कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल किस में से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं? जो हमने सब्सक्राइब किया है उसमें से हमने कितना मांगा है, दैट इज़ हाउ मच वी हैव called up. So next item in balance sheet will be called up capital. So this called up capital is 80,000 equity shares of rupees 8 each, right? So that will be 6,40,000. 80,000 into 8, right? And I hope you understood how we got 8, because only final call is not made and we have not included premium in it, right? So that's why it's 80,000 into 8. Now next capital will be the paid up share capital. See, we have done with the called up. Now next is what? Paid up capital. Now paid up capital share means what? दे हैव आस्क्ड फॉर 8 रुपीज़, राइट? 80,000 लोगों को उन्होंने 8 रुपये के लिए मांग लिया है, लेकिन ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार हर कोई देगा, राइट? सो यहाँ पे देखो हमको प्रॉब्लम में बताया है कि ऑल मनी वेर रिसीव एक्सेप्ट वन शेयर होल्डर होल्डिंग 500 शेयर्स डिड नॉट पे फर्स्ट कॉल. सो सारा पैसा मिल गया था 8 में से, ये 6,40,000 में से वी हैव रिसीव्ड द मनी, बट so the shareholder who is holding 500 shares has not paid 3 per call, right? So 500 into 3, that is how much? 1,500. मतलब 6,40,000 में से 1,500 रुपीज़ हमें नहीं मिले. सो ये जो नहीं मिला है इसको हम बोलते हैं कॉल्स इन अरियर्स. So see how we will present this in the balance sheet. See, paid up share capital. So 80,000 shares of rupees 8 each were called up. So 80,000 into 8 is what? 6,40,000. Here we have written. From this 500 shares of rupees 3 per share, one shareholder has not paid. So that is what calls in arrears. 6,40,000 हमें मिलने वाला था, उसमें से 1,500 रुपये हमें नहीं मिल रहा है क्योंकि ये शेयर होल्डर ने नहीं पे किया है. So in the outer column, what amount I have received is 6,38,500. Okay, so this is the amount that is paid up share capital. हमने called किया था 6,40,000, उसमें से हमें paid up मिला है 6,38,500. Okay, so now अब इसके बाद में जो डायरेक्टर है उसने लास्ट कॉल नहीं किया है. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू शो दैट. कॉल्स इन अरियर्स और पेड अप कैपिटल हमने दोनों एक साथ इधर ही दिखा दिया है, राइट? नाउ शेयर प्रीमियम अमाउंट इन कंपनीज बैलेंस शीट. नाउ सी, फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग शेयर प्रीमियम, यह प्रीमियम इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द अलॉटमेंट मनी, राइट? प्रीमियम है कितना? 2 पर शेयर, राइट? एंड ये प्रीमियम किस में इंक्लूडेड है? अलॉटमेंट मनी में. यानी हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, 2 इज़ अलॉटमेंट मनी, 2 इज़ प्रीमियम. अब ये जो शेयर होल्डर है जो कॉल्स इन अरियर्स है, ही हैज़ नॉट पेड फर्स्ट call, but he has paid the allotment money. That means we have received all the money of share premium, right? So शेयर प्रीमियम हमें पूरा मिला है, तो 80,000 शेयर जो हमने एप्लीकेशन मिली थी उसके ऊपर हमें 2 रुपीज़ प्रीमियम मिलेगा. सो यर इन माई बैलेंस शीट आई विल राइट शेयर प्रीमियम अकाउंट एंड 80,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स at rupees 2 per share, right? So 80,000 into 2 is what? 1,60,000. 60,000. So we have received the share premium of 1,60,000. So we have done all the things related to the liability side. Now in asset side, what will come? It will come the amount of money that has been received. So how much amount of money we have received? See, we have received 6,38,500, राइट जिसमें से 1,500 रुपये शेयर होल्डर का कॉल्स इन अरियर्स था. सो दिस अमाउंट प्लस वी हैव रिसीव शेयर प्रीमियम दैट इज ऑफ 1,60,000. सो आई हैव टू टोटल ओनली दीज टू अमाउंट्स, राइट. क्योंकि ये अमाउंट्स मिले नहीं हैं, दीज आर नॉट द अमाउंट विच वी हैव रिसीव. सी द फर्स्ट वन इज़ द ऑथराइज कैपिटल. इतना कंपनी मैक्सिमम अलॉट कर सकती है. इशूड कैपिटल जितना उन्होंने इशू किया था, राइट, एप्लीकेशंस भेजा था, इतना 8 लाख रुपए एप्लीकेशंस आया है. उसमें से हमने कितना कॉल्ड अप किया है, हमने कितने 8 लाख में से कितने रुपए मांगे हैं? ओनली 6,40,000. एंड फ्रॉम दिस 6,40,000 we have received only 6,38,500 and 1,60,000. तो मिला हमें सिर्फ ये दो अमाउंट है, राइट. सो व्हेन आई विल टोटल दिस, सो इट विल बिकम 7,98,500. Okay, so this is the amount we have received. So in the asset side also there will be same total, and here we will write cash at बैंक, बिकॉज ये जो शेयर्स वगैरह का जो भी होता है इट इज़ usually done with the bank, right? So cash at bank is how much? 7,98,500. Okay, so in this way we have to present the balance sheet of company. Now we will solve question number 2, which is on page number 342. Right. So first I am going to read the problem. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference shares of rupees. This is rupees, right? This is misprinted. 10 each payable as on application for allotment 3, first call 2, and second and final call, that is 1. Right. Company received application for all the shares and received all money. Past journal entries in the books of Anand Company Limited. So see, 10 rupees per share. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So there is no discount, no premium, right? At par we have issued the shares. Now we have to do the journal entries for this, right? They want the journal entries. So for that I have prepared a journal entries in the books of Anand Company Limited. So now we have to pass the journal entries. See, the first stage is application. सबसे पहले कंपनी जो है वो इशू करता है, उसके बाद में हमें एप्लीकेशन मनी मिलती है, राइट. सो कंपनी यहाँ पे बोला है कंपनी रिसीव्ड. See, here it is said company received application for all these shares and received all money. So they have issued 1 lakh preference shares and they have received all the applications. Means how much application they have received? 1 lakh. ये जितना भी है application, allotment, first call, second and final call, they have told that all the application has been received. That is 1 lakh applications have been received, and then they have received all the money on all these stages. So there are these 4 stages. So first we will do the entry for application stage. The first entry in issue of shares will always be the amount which is received for application. So 1 lakh is the share and 4 rupees has been received in application. So that is what 1 lakh into 4. So how much money will be received? 4 lakh rupees, right? So सबसे पहले पैसा आएगा application के साथ. So the entry will be, first entry, a date is not given, so you will put the number in the date column. Bank account debit to preference share application account, right? So preference share application account, बैंक अकाउंट में पैसा आ रहा है कितना? 4 लाख रुपीस, राइट. और किसके लिए आ रहा है ये? प्रेफरेंस शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट. मीन्स ये प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स का जो एप्लीकेशन मनी है वी हैव रिसीविंग that money, right? So narration will be being application money on 1 lakh preference shares at the rate of rupees 4 per share received, right? This is my first entry, right? सबसे पहले कंपनी को application money receive होगा. Then the second entry for this stage only, when the company will receive the application money, company will transfer this money to the preference share capital account. So for that, the entry will be preference share application account debit 4 lakh to preference share capital account 4 lakh, right? So the narration here, see, first the application money is received and then it is transferred to the share capital. ये कहाँ दिखेगा? Liabilities में, balance sheet में दिखेगा, right? 4 lakh rupees. So now being application money received on 1 lakh share preference shares transferred to preference share capital account, right? To preference share capital account. Okay, so this is the narration. So these are the two entries. Every stage will have two entry. So first stage is the application money. First entry for application money received. Second entry for transferring the share capital. But अब जो next stage आएगा, right? जो next stage आएगा, that is allotment, first call, second call, which are the next stages. In this, first the company will called up for the capital and then they will receive the money, right? यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जब shares issue करते हैं तो लोग अपना एप्लीकेशन भेजते हैं और एप्लीकेशन के साथ मनी भेजते हैं. तो पहले पैसा आता है, बाद में हम कैपिटल में ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. बट फ्रॉम सेकेंड स्टेज, फर्स्ट वी विल कॉल्ड अप and then they will pay the money. So now the second stage is allotment, that is 3 per share. So again 1 lakh rupees into 3, so that will be how much? 3 lakh rupees, right? So first company will make a call for this, right? So the third entry for stage 2 will be preference share allotment अकाउंट. अगर इक्विटी शेयर बोला है तो इक्विटी शेयर लिखना है, प्रेफरेंस शेयर बोला है तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर लिखना है. प्रेफरेंस शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड द शेयर्स वेर 1 lakh into how much? 3. Amount will be 3 lakh, right? Now we'll write the narration. Being allotment money on 1 lakh preference shares at the rate 3 per share due. ये क्या है? ड्यू है. कंपनी हैज़ कॉल्ड अप, राइट, फॉर 3 per. They have asked the people to pay 3 rupees per share. So now people will pay the money and as they have told that you have received all the money. So next entry will be bank account debit. Why you are receiving this money? For allotment stage. So to preference share allotment account, right? So 3 lakh is the amount. So this is my fourth entry for stage 2. So being allotment money received on 1 lakh preference shares, right? Narration you can make as lengthy as you can, or you can, it should give a proper narration of what is done in the entry. So you have told that allotment money is received on 1 lakh preference shares, and you can extend it also at rupees 3 per share. Okay, then next is, so see, we have done 2 stages. First stage 2 entry, second stage 2 entry. Now comes the third stage. So third stage is first call. In first call, company has asked for 2 rupees, right? So 1 lakh into 2 is how much? 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees will be received, but for that first company will have to make the first call. So for first call, company, when company will make a call, the entry will be preference share first call account डेबिट. देखो अलॉटमेंट के लिए मांगा तो अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, फर्स्ट कॉल है तो फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट, एंड इट विल बी टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल account, right? So preference share capital account. So how much it is? 1 lakh into 2. So it will become 2 lakh, right? So being first call money on 1 lakh preference shares at the rate rupees 2 per share due. This amount is due, right? Then the next entry, as they have told that all the money has been received, bank account debit to preference share first call account. So 2 lakh किसके लिए मिला ये पैसा? फर्स्ट कॉल के लिए, right? 2 lakh rupees. So my narration will be being first call money on 1 lakh preference shares at the rupees 2 per share received, right? So we have done with the 3 stages. Now the last stage, that is the second and final call. So first again see here, the second and final call is for 1 rupee. So 1 lakh into 1, so that is how much? 1 lakh. So first again here the company will make a call for it. So for making the second and final call, the seventh entry will be preference share. This is second and final call. Second and final call account debit, and it was 1 lakh to preference share capital account 1 lakh, right? So being second and final call money due on 1 lakh preference shares at the rupees 1 per share. Okay, so this was my 7th entry, and the last entry for the problem, that is for the stage 4, that they have called up, company has called up, now public will pay the money. So when money is received, bank account debit to, तो किसके लिए मिल रहा है ये पैसा हमें? सेकेंड कॉल के लिए. टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर सेकेंड एंड फाइनल call account, and we have received the full amount, so 1 lakh. Now we will write the narration. Being second and final call money received on 1 lakh preference shares. So see here, we have done with all the entries of all the 4 stages, and at last you will total the journal, right? Whatever is the total, you will write the total here. Okay, so You have to remember this is a very simple problem in which the shares were issued at par. There was no premium, there was no discount. Moreover, full allotment has been done. There is no under subscription or there is no over subscription. The whatever is the application shares issued, the public has applied for all the shares. So every you have to understand that for every there are 4 stages, that is application, allotment, then first call and second call, right? So every stage there will be 2 entries, right? And only in application first entry will be for bank and second will be for transferring it to the capital account, right? Share capital account. In other stages, first entry will be for शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड देन बैंक, बिकॉज दिस हैज़, देखो ये एप्लीकेशन मनी तो पहले ही आ जाता है, जब पब्लिक अप्लाई करते हैं उसके साथ में पैसा भेज देते हैं, राइट? लेकिन जब वो शेयर अलॉट हो जाते हैं तो कंपनी को पैसा मांगना पड़ता है. सो व्हेन कंपनी विल कॉल द मनी, व्हेन कंपनी विल कॉल अलॉटमेंट मनी, देन दे विल पे. सो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी फॉर ड्यू एंड देन बैंक अकाउंट. सेम वे फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ दीज 2. So there are 8 entries and this is the procedure that you have to follow. And moreover, if you see very carefully, see a bank account debit to preference share application account, and the second entry is preference share application account debit to preference share capital. So when in every stage whenever you see the entries, application account debit credit है, यहाँ पे debit है. अगर मैं ये दोनों को cancel करती हूँ तो मेरा net effect क्या आता है? बैंक account debit टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, राइट? मतलब बैंक में 4 लाख रुपए आए और किसके लिए आए? प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल के आए हैं, राइट? इन द सेम वे इन if you see the second stage entries, that is third and fourth entry, so see here preference share allotment account debit is there and preference share allotment account is credit, right? So again these two will be cancelled. So your net effect is bank account debit to preference share capital account. In this way all stages you can see. Only the thing that you have to remember is in first stage bank account will be debit, पहला पैसे आएगा और बाकी हर स्टेज में बाद में पैसा आएगा. एंड सिंपल, अगर अलॉटमेंट है तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट, और अगर फर्स्ट कॉल है तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल, सेकेंड कॉल है तो सेकेंड call, and it will be transferred to share capital account. Okay, so we have completed with the problem. Thank you.